Hey traders, hope you all doing well and hope you all having an awesome day. So quick heads up and update here for net gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? So I'm going to give you a quick heads up here in case you're wondering what price action can possibly do next. So at this point, like I said, as long as price is in a strong downtrend, we are not buying. So I know this move might have scared you that price is now pushing up, but that is what you call patience. So we need to wait with the patience. I was waiting for this possible bearish entry, and as you can see, the price did not close as a bearish engulfing candle, but we had some pullback. So we are still below 50 EMA and we are still not buying natural gas. So again, the buying zone will be the zone below. In case you missed it, it's right in the green, is 1.963. That goes down to 1.825, a zone. This whole zone will be my buying area from where we'll enter buy trades using engulfers, double bottoms, pin bars, or over 382 candles. So that is what I'm looking at and expecting from net gas. If let's say the price break and close above 50 EMA, two candles are very important in this case, because as you can see, we had one candle closed above 50 EMA, but then the price pushed back down again. So I want to see at least two candles that must close above 50 EMA. If that happens, we will have a possible change in trend and price can likely push up from here. I'm going to mark the new resistance zones in my upcoming videos. For now, just look for sell conditions, not buying at this point. As long as price is below 50 EMA, buy only from the zone or above 50 EMA only. Currency.com, exactly the same condition. I'm still waiting for the price to break above to buy or hit this green zone to buy. So nothing happened yet. Still waiting for sell condition. If we have a push up, close back down with a bearish engulfer, we will have a sell signal. So only looking for sell conditions at this point. So keep an eye here for your entries and conditions. Let's check gold. Now, as you can see, the price is still in between the area of value right here and formed this 382 candle. Let me double check if that's a valid 382 candle from swing low to high of this candle, and let's see, the body is above. Yeah, it is a valid 382 candle. As you can see, the whole body is above the 382 retracement. So we have a bullish pressure right here. This candle happened at this area of value, 382 candle, and I'm still expecting a price to push up here and hit at least the zone above, which is the termination zone above, which is 1979, that goes up to 1984 once the price hit this zone. In that case, I want to see if we have a pullback, or if break above, then we will have a very strong signal that price will push up and continue to push up in a trend. So for now, the first target is right here, the one I've just mentioned, and then second target will be after the break of this termination zone. So keep an eye here. It looks bullish to me for now. Let's check silver. So same move from silver, and at this point silver is still above both the EMAs. I can see the spin bar right here. 382 candle would be a valid candle in this case. If you see from low to high, a very good 382 candle that happens above 20 and 50 EMA both. So for now, I'm expecting a price to push up from here and hit at least 24.02, from where I'll see the next condition. If we get a bearish engulfer, in that case I will go short. If we have a broke above this previous high, in that case I will go long. So I'll see how it goes. For now, it looks bullish to me as long as price is above 50 and 20 EMA both. So the last one, we have crude oil. Crude oil is pushing up nicely, and for now it looks bullish to me. Price has broken above 50 and 20 EMA, so exactly the same as gold and silver. All the commodities are forming similar patterns. For now, I'm expecting a push up at least to 74.18, goes up to 74.61. Once the price hit this zone, I'll see how price action reacts. If you get a pullback, otherwise if you have a break above, in that case I'm still paying attention for my sell trades from this zone above, is 76.64, that goes up to 78.88. This is a zone from where I will enter my sell trade using engulfers, double tops, or inverted hammers, 382 candles, whatever you want to call it. So that is it I'm looking at for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If you are getting value, do not forget to hit a like button. It really helps me in the YouTube algorithm. Hit a subscribe button if you are new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.